7 things you should not do on an empty stomach. You may think that it's not that big of a deal to go about your day on an empty stomach, but there are many things that you shouldn't even think about doing when you haven't eaten in a while, as it can lead to a few unwanted consequences. We all know the statement that says, "You are what you eat," but nobody told us about the side effects of the things we do on empty stomach, or what we do before eating has great impact on our healthy life. So the first thing we should avoid is, drink coffee. Doctors recommended not drinking coffee or tea on an empty stomach, as it can lead to digestive discomfort by creating excess acidic levels in the body. This can unfortunately lead to vomiting or constipation. Even decaffeinated coffee stimulates the production of acid that might cause heartburn and other digestive tract issues if drunk on an empty stomach. If you are unable to give up the habit of drinking coffee first thing in the morning, consume it with milk or cream, or you can eat a quick bite with it. The second thing is sleep. While sleeping on an empty stomach, your body can keep you mentally alert with hunger pains. This leads to an unsuccessful night's sleep. When you deprive your body of sleep, it reduces your metabolic functions and can cause muscle mass breakdown. Along with that, a lack of sleep increases the level of hunger hormones. This is the reason why we eat more on the following day after skipping dinner. So the solution is to take dairy products, because these products contain calcium and magnesium that ensure a sound sleep. Third one is doing intense workout. When you exercise on an empty stomach, you may burn valuable energy sources and have less stamina. Low blood sugar levels may also leave you feeling lightheaded, nauseous, or shaky. Another possibility is that your body will adjust to continually using fat reserves for energy and start to store more fat than usual. In truth, that does not influence fat loss. Muscle loss, on the other hand, is real. If your body feels depleted in energy when working out on empty stomach, eat something next time. Fourth, doing grocery or shopping. We all know that hunger makes us buy more food than we actually need. In fact, an empty stomach makes us more acquisitive even in non-food stores. You should never go grocery or shopping on an empty stomach. This will cause you to buy a lot of sweet high-carb items that you're most likely craving for at that moment, says fitness experts. For your own good and the good of your closet, have a little snack or a light meal before you go shopping. No need for a huge meal. But if you go clothing shopping on an extremely empty stomach in the hopes that you will like the way you look in the fitting room, you may experience the woe of the falsely. Fifth, drink alcohol. When you drink on an empty stomach, much of the alcohol you drink passes quickly from the stomach into the small intestine, where most of it is absorbed into the bloodstream. This intensifies all the side effects of drinking, such as your ability to think and coordinate your body movements. The alcohol will hit you faster, and it'll make you drunk and cause you to get super hungry either way, and one thing more, you will make bad decisions. The effect of alcohol on the body does not go without negative consequences for your liver, heart, and kidneys. 6. Travel. Traveling on an empty stomach can make you more susceptible to motion sickness. Try to eat something light 45 to 60 minutes before traveling. When you go out into the world with an empty stomach, your body is more prone to illness. We all know that high-traffic places like airports and public buses are riddled with germs. Give your immune system a boost to protect yourself from colds, the flu, and even worse with a healthy, balanced diet, especially before you travel. 7th, chewing gum. When you chew gum on an empty stomach, it produces digestive acid which destroys the lining of an empty stomach. Overindulgence with gum may lead to gastritis. Along with that, it is also scientifically proven that people who chew gum prefer junk food, French fries, candy, rather than healthy food like vegetables and fruits. Now you all know about the things we should avoid on an empty stomach. If you are doing any of these, think twice before you do it again. Thank you so much for your time. Must like, share and subscribe.